We rose from dusty streets to adorned bodies, crafting the texture and tapestry of our ancestors, drawing our inspiration from decades of intricacy, centuries of spectacular splendor spent assembling sensational styling. Bringing designers together, Arise creates its own world, pushing the narrative forward, crafting the future as now. Each seam is carefully premeditated, our creativity spun into the material of what we're made of, generations of substance standing together, passing the baton. There is room, take up space, take your place. Style with the rise, black, brown, blue or white, loud, minimalist, simple, real. Make it, wear it, flaunt it. Never apologize for how well the crown fits.
Welcome to the 20th edition of Arise Fashion Week.